How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen. Here you will see the option for linked devices. Tap on that and you will be able to view all the devices that has been linked to your WhatsApp in this particular interface. So tap on the device that you want to unlink your WhatsApp from and you will then see the option for log out there. So tap on the log out option and then tap on log out again, and with this the device will be unlinked. So this is how you can unlink WhatsApp from other device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.